Do you know how to take care of your roof? Caesar from Howard & Sons Roofing is here to explain basic roof maintenance and how the professionals can make it a breeze. Glad to have you talking with us today.
Thanks for having me.
Now, the roof is probably the most important part of the home because it covers everything you own. And let's talk about maintenance from two perspectives. First of all, what a consumer might be able to do, a homeowner, and then what you have to do as a professional. Are there any things that the homeowner can do in terms of basic maintenance or preventative maintenance?
Absolutely. A simple walk around of the house looking at the roof. You know, the roof is one of those elements that's kind of out of sight, out of mind. So just walking around the house, I don't recommend anybody getting on the roof.
No.
But I definitely encourage somebody to walk around, check for clogged gutters. You know, take a look at your gutters. Those tend to dam up. Also, any broken tiles, missing shingles, broken ridge caps, things of that nature are going to allow an unwanted water feature to appear in your home.
What about if you have overgrown trees that may be touching your roof? Is that also something to address?
That's also a great point. Trees, especially palm trees, tend to release a lot of debris, and what happens is it falls on the roof, it dams it up, and the next thing you know, water is only meant to travel in one direction off of your roof, so any type of dam is going to cause a problem.
Backs up and then gets inside.
Absolutely correct.
Okay. So you said something important, not to get on the roof yourself as a homeowner, but especially after maybe a major storm, to do that visual inspection. But the key thing is to get the professional inspection, correct?
Absolutely. And you know, it boggles my mind that people don't call us for a free inspection. We offer it absolutely for free and no cost to you. So call the professionals to come out and take a look.
I have a perspective on that. I think it's because people are afraid to call the company in because they're afraid you're going to recommend every time re-roof $10,000 or whatever it is. It's actually a low percentage of the time you recommend that people need major work, correct?
It's only about 20 to 25% that people actually need, you know, a full re-roof. A lot of the times, we had over 160 calls, for example, over Thanksgiving, to where people were asking for us to please come help because, again, they had an unwanted water feature inside the home. We were only able to help about 10 or 15 of those people, but nonetheless, it was something as simple as slip tile.
So, and that's what happens, I think, all too often is people put those things off because it's not top of mind. They might have had a little water before, but roofs are not a self-healing thing. The leak is not going to get better if you wait.
Absolutely not. So if you notice a leak, for example, this winter, by all means, give us a call, you know, when the sun is shining so we can come out and take a look.
It's a great time to do it when the sun is shining and call you out because you're going to recommend the right options for people. Get your roof inspected today. Call Howard & Sons at 619-343-2228. That's 619-343-2228.